When you're out shooting, some of the best light you'll ever see is just before or just after a storm. The secret is in knowing which storms to chase. The best way of learning is not to be given the answer. It's to be given the thought process to get to the answer yourself. I'm not here to teach you how to copy. I want to teach you how to create. We design your expedition around you. The places you want to go, the things you want to learn, the shots you want to take. We don't set any limits on what your experience can be. I've been a photographer long enough to know the value of a good night's sleep after a long day shooting. This is about taking you out of your comfort zone comfortably in the best locations around the world. I'm here to help you shoot with confidence, so you know you can go anywhere and get the best possible image from each and every view. This is about getting the most out of your time, your experience, your equipment, and coming back with photographs that make you proud. You're going to be surrounded by opportunities to shoot incredible scenes every day. But sometimes, to do that, you need to push your own boundaries. That's why having someone by your side makes it a completely different experience. You're not joining my workshop. I'm guiding you on your own unique photographic expedition to capture moments that last a lifetime.